So friends, let's tell you what forensic tools or forensic data are. So friends, forensic testing is a type of security data that identifies any security breach and checks all its security layers. You can also use forensic tools in cybersecurity. And you can also use forensic tools to identify data in cyber hacking. It can also be used for any hacking, major cyber attack, or scams. So let's tell you what forensic data is. Forensic data is digital information that is used with the highest level of security. This information is prepared to be used as evidence in government, examination, and corporate investigations. This data is also saved securely, and the data is analyzed. And it includes computer, mobile, device, network, system, security, hacking, data, detect information, documents, crime reports, security phase, system entry, documents verification, data control center, crime location, and data from various other sources is used. In forensic data, this type of data is used for security purposes. And this is very powerful data that detects the information of any hacker that is used in any cybercrime. Many companies use forensic data to track information about any crime. And it can be both persistent and volatile. Persistent means that some data, like RAM, can be customized for a certain period of time. Its main work is to program data related to a crime, identify fraud and scams, and its data is used as evidence in court proceedings. So let's tell you which tools are used in forensic data. So there are some tools like these. Forensic tools: EnCase, Autopsy, SIFT, FTK, X-Ways Forensic, Helix 3 Pro, Foremost, Scalpel, The Sleuth Kit, Kane, Volatility, Wireshark, Memory Forensic, Cellebrite, Digital Forensic, Magnet Axiom, Malware Forensic, Network Miner, Oxygen Forensic Detective, Registry, Bulk Extractor, Kane Linux, Data Locating, Data Recovery, Disk Forensic, Network Forensic, Email Forensic, EXIF Tool, Magnet RAM Capture, Malware Forensic, Forensics Focus Sans Digital Forensic, Pro Discover Forensic. There are many similar tools that are used in forensic investigations, and they are used with government permission to collect information on data at the country level. You can also use them in hacking and to catch criminals. You can also use them to eliminate false evidence. Further on, we will tell you how you can use these tools and how you can provide security using forensic data, and how you can use forensic data in court proceedings.